How to allow camera permissions on Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down. Head towards App. Tap to access the App section. Select App Management from top of the screen. Now you can manually scroll down and locate Chrome, or simply tap Search bar and type in Chrome. Open the App Info section by tapping on Chrome. Now to allow camera permissions on Chrome, select Permissions option. Currently we have camera allowed, but if it is denied in this way, then it will be listed on this not allowed section. Tap on camera and tap on allow only while using the app. And this will help us to allow camera permissions on Chrome. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.